What's up, everybody, and welcome back. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about the secure shell networking protocol so that way you can link your application to your GitHub repository. So first things first, we're going to dive right in and we're going to build a connection and credential. And what this is just going to be like the packet for your credentials. So you're going to save that, put a name in, save it. And then down here, you're going to create your connection. And here, this is where we're going to name this. We'll just do that. Okay, and then for the credential, we'll set one up. So you click the reference magnifying glass. Come down here to SSH private key. Now, this is where it can get kind of tricky. So what you have to do is come over to an SSH generator. I'll put the link in the description. And you're going to click on the ECDSA 256. You can put in a passphrase. Once you put in that passphrase, it's going to generate a private and a public key. This is where it gets tricky. So you're going to copy the private key and you're going to utilize this. Where'd you go? In the private key section here. Okay, then you're gonna, we'll start off with naming it. Okay, there's my username and password for GitHub. And then this is gonna be the same passphrase that you had in the generator. Okay, once you have all this complete, go ahead and submit that. Okay, then the connection URL is gonna be your repository HTTP address. So if you haven't already, make sure you set up a repository. Okay, you can click the HTTP and you're going to throw that in here. Boop. All right, submit that. Now you've built your credential and alias. Okay, then come in here and there's that credential. Okay, with the GitHub repository in there. Okay, so now what you got to do is come over here. Make sure you grab the public one because you got to set up a key here in your GitHub. So you're going to click on your profile, go to settings, and come over here to SSH. And you can see I've already done this, but I'm doing it again to show you guys. So we're going to click new, give it a name. And then this is where you post the public key. Yep, use the key. All right, and then you'll see the key is down here. So now you'll be able to link your system or your application to the repository because you put in the private key here in the generator and then the public over there in your repository. So now we can come here to your application in Studio, come up here to source control, and let's start to link it. Now before, remember how we grabbed the HTTPS? That was just so the credential knew where to look, but that's not necessarily how you're going to sign in. So you have to come back here and go to your repository, and you're going to grab the SSH address. Come back to your application, click SSH, post that. Here's the credential we built. And we're going to put main because this is the main branch. Okay. And then we'll put initial commit just as a note. And we should have good money. So if you guys have any questions, let me know and I will try to help you out. If you got anything for me, let me know and it'll just help me grow. So as always, see you on the next one.